Hi, Rap Squad! Welcome back sa 8 taon ng aking pagiging content creator and being in front of the public eye. Imposibleng mabilang ko kung ilan ang mga taong telling me, suggesting na gumawa ako ng sarili kong brand or mga produkto. But the people who really became my inspiration and motivation para i-pursue to, my parents. Hormones, layuan mo ako! Mama and Papa, you guys are my heroes. You guys made me believe in love. Lalo ka na, Mama, ang aking #1 fan na alam kong unang-unang manonood ng video na to. Grabe yung pagmamahal mo kay Papa. Hindi mo siya iniwan kahit nagkasakit siya. In fact, ikaw pa yung nag-aalaga sa kanya up until now. Hanging tissue. Mama, you are a testament that there is power with being soft. Speaking of soft, I want to introduce you to Softest. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm showing this in front of the camera. Ang tagal ko nang pinagtatrabahuhan to and been keeping this a secret. And now, eto na po si Softest, ang aking skincare brand na nagsasabing tap into your soft side with Softest. Ang taray, may tagline agad. So let's start off with the Softest Peptide Cream. Alam kong may idea or madalas nyo nang marinig yung peptide sa mga international local brands. Mare, eto na ang uso. Kumbaga, collagen andito, peptide andito, mare. Remember, di ba, merong study na as we grow older, like pagdating natin ng 25 to 30, mas less na yung napoproduce nating collagen sa body. So, ayan na yung mga signs of aging, yung mga loose skin, yung mga wrinkles and fine lines. Baby, with peptide, you can reactivate or regain your ability to produce collagen and elastin at any age. So, ang resulta niyan is, of course, younger looking, healthier, softer, softest skin. Aside from that, isa pang paborito kong ingredient ay nandito, si potassium azelaic. Alam niyo na kung bakit paborito ko. Gently brighten the skin, reduce inflammation, and even out skin tone. So, if acne prone ka, kahit anong stage or level ng acne mo, patubo pa lang, irritable na, or acne marks man yan, kayang resolbahan ng aking Softest Peptide Cream. Sa mas madaling salita, with all those years that I've been trying skincare products, most specifically mga moisturizers or cream products, a lot of them, kung hindi kulang yung moisture na parang tubig lang yung nilagay ko, yung iba naman sobra sa moisture na para na siyang mantika, ang bigat-bigat at mainit. This one, sabi ko nga kanina, puro siya natural ingredients na tina-target yung mga personal skin problems mo at inaalam at sinusuplayan yung balat mo ng perfect, ng right amount of moisture. So, ang Softest ay isang skincare brand with a heart. Halata naman, charot. Not only heart for our fellow humans, but also for the animals. So we don't do animal testing. What we do is we test on friends and family. So for about a year, nakailang reformulation kami dito just to get the perfect formula. At sinabi kong perfect itong formula ngayon because we've been using it. Iba-iba kami ng skin problems, iba-iba ng skin types, at lahat kami naka-experience ng magagandang results. For me, noon pa man, ever since I started, isa sa mga problem areas or insecurities ko talaga ay yung aking mga enlarged pores, especially on the T-zone or nose area. And now, upon using this for months, I freaking swear my face became almost poreless. Sumabra sikip ng mga pores. Hindi lang po ako yung naka-experience ng epektong to, pero yung aking older sister, hi Ate Sheena, kwento niya meron siyang isang katrabaho, nag-uusap daw sila ng malapitan, stopped her at sabi sa kanya, wait lang, name-mesmerize ako because you are poreless. Another thing, if nanonood ka nga ng mga videos ko in the past, alam nyo kung gaano ko ka-acne prone to the point na parang hindi na gumaling yung pimples ko. In fact, it's getting worse. Parami siya ng parami as the days, as the weeks go by. But with this one, napansin ko na paunti na ng paunti yung mga nararanasan kong breakouts up until now na sobrang dalang. As in, hindi ko maalala kung kailan yung huling beses na nagkaroon ako ng pimple. Finally, of course, upon testing this, hindi hindi ko lang siya sa face ginagamit but also on my body. Alam nyo naman, nakakagaling ko lang sa operasyon. So may ipa-flash akong picture dyan ng before and after ng aking mga scars. Obviously, hindi pa nagpe-fade fully yung scar kasi 7 months pa lang akong post-op pero hindi mapagkakaila na it's so much better now. Nag-lighten sobra at walang raised skin, walang formation ng keloid yung aking mga incision sites. And I know when I continue using this more pa, everything will eventually heal and eventually fade. Now, paano gamitin to? Ako, morning and night ko siya ginagamit and a little goes a long way. So, makakatipid ka talaga. Pero, minsan, ginagamit ko rin siya as a face mask. Especially kapag meron akong event kinabukasan at gusto ko na sobrang ganda ng lapat ng makeup sa skin ko. Sobrang lambot ng face ko na kapag kainamoy or hinalika ng someone. Charis. Ayan, so kung gusto ko yung ganong effect, bago ko matulog, binababad ko sa aking face. Medyo marami-rami. Now, ang masasabi kong con for my Softest Peptide Cream, wow con, siniraan ang sariling produkto. Feeling ko masyado ng risky if dadagdagan ko pa siya ng SPF. Baka pag nag-add pa kami ng ibang ingredient, maiba yung kanyang formula, magkontrahan sila and everything. Nga naman, dyan napapasok si Softest Beauty Mist. And yes, tinawag ko siyang Beauty Mist kasi hindi siya sunscreen mist, hindi siya setting spray. Girl, it is all of the above. Kagaya ni Peptide, this is also packed with advanced skin-caring ingredients na paborito niyong lahat. I'm talking about rose water, check. Niacinamide, check. Hyaluronic acid, check. So once again, it's perfect for people with sensitive and acne-prone skin. Meron pa siyang SPF 30 PA+++. Now, ang kulang sa kanya is the scent. Sinigurado ko na wala talaga siyang amoy because sometimes, especially for people nga with sensitive skin, yung perfume or yung artificial scent yung nagbibigay ng allergens or pwedeng maging masyadong matapang para sa kanila. Ang importante ay maging all-around best din nyo siya, not only for skincare but also for your makeup needs. Now, for makeup, itataya ko ang pangalan ko. Napapatagal talaga nito yung makeup looks ko, I swear. A lot of people have been complimenting me at minsan pati ako mismo nagugulat kasi kakagaling ko lang sa event or sa nightclub or sa aura. Pag uwi ko, parang pwede pa akong umaura ulit kasi wala siyang bangas. Lakado pa rin at alam ko na kahit ganun yung epekto niya, kahit apang matagalan siya, it is still soft and friendly for your skin because it is infused with skin-caring benefits. Okay, and to prove to you, I'm gonna do a little test. So I have an eyeshadow palette. Kukunin ko itong color black. I will swatch it on the back of my hands. Ayan, magkabilaan sila. And on my right hand, dito ko lang isi-spray itong si Softest Beauty Mist. Importante na merong 8 inches na pagitan sa pag-i-spray. Oy, alam na alam kung ilan ang 8 inches. And it's very important na para mag-take effect yung pampatagal powers niya sa mga makeup looks natin, we have to let it dry talaga. Let it air dry. Okay, ayan, feeling ko tuyo na siya. First, smudge natin itong hindi natin nilagyan ng beauty mist. And it's easily smudged. Ito namang may beauty mist, it doesn't smudge. Normally, ang powder ganito talaga easily to be broken off kapag kakinayod or binigyan ng pressure. So the fact na naging ganito, yung powder, isipin nyo na lang kung sinet nyo na yung whole face nyo with pressed powder or loose powder and then you spray this all over on top of that powder, protektado ka sa kapangitan.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, nangyari ba talaga to? Na-film ko ba talaga to? Sigurado bang na-record? Hindi lang ako makapaniwala. Everything feels like a dream. And aside sa parents ko, I also nag-give an I love you and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin. Kung wala kayo, kung hindi kayo naniwala sa kakayanan ko, kung hindi nyo pinanood at hindi nyo in-skip ads yung mga videos ko, wala ako ngayon dito. So, thank you guys so much. You guys are definitely my answered prayers to make this dream of mine come true. Aww. So, once again, tap into your soft side with Sates. Now available sa TikTok Shop and Shopee. Shop now, hindi kayo magsisisi. Baka magsisi kayo kapag naubusan kayo. Sige.